it's important to remember to leave your bag in an area that's not going to affect your swing, and you're going to be able to get to it quickly in order to keep up with pace of play.
Hey Craig, that was a nice shot you hit there. Also a pretty nice divot you took too. It's really good etiquette to always take care of the golf course, and part of that is replacing your divots when you hit those nice shots. So what I like to do is I like to leave my bag there, run up, grab the divot, throw it back in there, and then get on my way.
I'm sorry about that, Joe. I'll make sure to do that in the future.
Don't worry about it. We appreciate it, bud.
When you replace your divots right away, the seed's going to take faster, and this will be back to normal in a few days.